What if you spend $600,000 renovating your home, only to realize after construction starts that it still doesn't work the way your family lives? With a major renovation, the expensive mistakes are usually not the ones you can see at the beginning. They were the decisions that were not thought through together. I'm Loren Ng, founder and principal designer of Loren Ng Designs, a psychology-led interior design and design and build studio in Singapore. For more than 14 years, I have worked across design and construction, helping clients create homes that are designed around how they actually live and built with the technical requirements in mind. A major renovation is not one big decision. It is hundreds of decisions that affect one another. Change the layout, and you may also affect the lighting, air conditioning, storage, electrical, plumbing, ceiling, structure, and sometimes authority approvals. A design can look beautiful on paper and still create expensive problems later if cost, buildability, and technical requirements have not been considered together from the beginning. The same applies to quotations. Two quotations can look very different, but you may not actually be comparing the same scope. What is included? What is provisional? What has been assumed? What may only become clear once work starts? For a renovation of this scale, those questions should be worked through before you commit to the build. This is why we do not separate the design from the reality of building it. We start by understanding how you live, how your family interacts, how you entertain, work, rest, and move through your home. Those insights shapes the layout, storage, lighting, and circulation, rather than designing around a style first. We then bring that thinking into the build. With our own carpentry workshop and integrated construction team, the people designing your home can work directly with the people pricing, building, installing, and inspecting the job site. That gives us a clearer understanding of what is possible, what it will take to build, and where the important decisions need to be made. But before you commit to the renovation, there's one more important question. What should you actually build? That is why we created the Landed Home Masterplan. It is a paid planning and visibility engagement for homeowners preparing for a substantial transformation who want to understand the design direction, scope, cost, constraints, and buildability before committing to construction. Over 4 to 6 weeks, we study your existing property, understand how you want to live, and develop the overall direction. Depending on the property, this can include layout strategies, before and after floor plans, key technical and authority considerations, and a clearer definition of that scope. We then connect the scope to your budget. Instead of simply asking, how much will my renovation cost? You can look at different level of interventions within one coherent vision for your home and understand the cost, timeline, and trade-offs behind each. So before committing hundreds of thousands of dollars, you have a clearer picture of what you're actually committing to. The fee for the Landed Home Master Plan starts from $15,000. If you proceed with Loren Ng Designs for the full design and build project, 100% of the master plan fee credited towards the bill according to the agreed terms. If you decide not to build with us, you still retain the agreed master plan work completed for your property. The idea is simple. Understand the major decisions first, then decide whether you want to proceed with a larger construction commitment. The Landed Home Master Plan is designed for substantial whole home transformation, included landed homes, penthouses, and larger private condos, typically within renovation investment from $600,000 onwards. It is for homeowners who want the design and build to be considered as one connected project and who would rather understand the major decisions before construction begins. If you are planning a major transformation within the next 6 to 18 months and want to understand what is realistically possible for your home and your budget, tell us about your property, timeline, and what you're hoping to change. We'll have a short conversation to understand the likely scale of the project and whether the Landed Home Master Plan is the right next step. Before you commit hundreds of thousands of dollars to the build, make sure you know what you're actually building. Click the link below, tell us about your home, and we'll take it from there.